Nestled in the green countryside of Sabutan Silang, Cavite, you will find Farmtec Foods Incorporated, a major producer of dehydrated food ingredients in the Philippines. Farmtec is engaged in food processing and marketing and is founded, owned, and operated by an enterprising man, Mr. Fabian G. Espiritu. The firm has at least 15 regular products being supplied to more than 70 food manufacturers and distributors in the country. Because of the increasing demand for healthy food products, Farmtec also produces herbal products and blends. Expanding its line of activities, the enterprise has also offered tolling services for local food companies such as drying, pulverizing, blending, heat treatment, and sterilization. In 1989, Mr. and Mrs. Fabian Espiritu originally set up the company as a micro-enterprise. It all started with an old garage and a vacant shed converted to office and processing plant. He availed of the Department of Science and Technology Small Enterprise Technology Upgrading Program or DOST setup. DOST setup is a nationwide strategy encouraging and assisting micro, small, and medium enterprises or MSMEs to adopt technological innovations to improve their operations and increase their productivity and competitiveness. DOST setup enables MSMEs to address their technical problems and improve productivity and efficiency through infusion of appropriate technologies to improve operations, human resource training, technical assistance, and consultancy services, design of functional packages and labels, assistance in the establishment of product standards and including testing, database management system, provision of limited funds for technology acquisition. In December 29, 2006, Mr. Espiritu's DOST setup application entitled Upgrading of the Laboratory Capabilities of Farmtec Foods Incorporated through the acquisition of modern laboratory equipment was approved and implemented in 2007. In November 15, 2011, he also applied for another DOST setup entitled Acquisition of Chinese Multifunction Sterilizer as an alternative procedure in sterilizing powdered spices and other herbal products. Farmtec was able to avail of the following DOST setup services: acquisition of multifunction sterilizer, establishment of quality control laboratory, and the basic laboratory equipment. With DOST's assistance, the company was able to strictly adhere to SSOP, GMP, HACCP, and ISO standard requirements. Training of laboratory personnel for microbiological and chemical testing to include nutritional analysis. Hands-on training to microbiological analysis of food and water. Training on good laboratory practices. Training on appreciation course on boiler audit. Consultancy and technical advisory services, training on cleaner production and energy audit, commercialization of vegetable noodle processing. Committed to increase productivity and efficiency, Farmtec purchased new equipment to be able to compete locally. A multifunction sterilizer, metal detector, horizontal screw bender, magnet, bubbling washing machine, slicer. Additional improvements were the construction of a new warehouse, chemical storage, finishing area, and new cooking room. Farmtec also contributes to the greening program of the government through its environmental protection programs, which includes composting, construction of a simple wastewater treatment facility using filtration method, construction of wet scrubber, participating in the Green Philippines Islands of Sustainability Project or GPIOS. Adoption of DOST setup has a great impact to Farmtec, such as increase in sales, generating savings as a result of in-house tests, generating savings in utilities, conducting faster and timely test results to meet customers' requirements for certificate of analysis, practicing cleaner production technology and food safety management system, improving manpower competency through trainings and seminars, producing skilled workforce through guided consultancy and technical service, reducing waste generation, providing its worker members with financial, medical, and spiritual assistance. Farmtec also contributes to food industry and business community by serving as model for other SME food processor, serving as a laboratory for practicum courses and productivity programs, allowing other entrepreneurs to use the case of Farmtec as a reference in planning the kind of business they are planning, providing services to other companies through towel drying, pulverizing, customized blending, and other related jobs. Farmtec also helps the community by providing employment to locals, extending social program for its neighborhood by giving seasonal job opportunities to other unemployed neighbors, improving the standard of living of employees by providing them with economic benefits and needed welfare programs, providing income or employment to their farmer suppliers of raw materials sourced even outside of Calabarzon, providing financial assistance for municipal and barangay activities like fiesta, religious activities, and other projects, providing assistance to youth development through sports fests, Adopt a Scholar programs, and other related activities. Presently, Farmtec has fully refunded the first project and has repaid 20% of the second project. It continues to pursue its vision to become the leading producer of natural and exotic food ingredients, spices, and herbal products in the Philippines. Farmtec Foods Incorporated keeps on getting bigger and better.